Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Along with those of you who are visiting this channel for the very first time, I just want to say I appreciate you all. Today I'll be taking a look at this smart Wi-Fi light switch from Nexxt Solutions. I will be looking at some of the highlights of this switch. I will be unboxing, and in a follow-up video I will be installing this switch into my home office. This switch is designed to replace, upgrade conventional single pole light controls. So in other words, this new smart Wi-Fi light switch will certainly be an upgrade for my home office. Firstly, I must say that this presentation package done by Nexxt is neat. As you can see, it just looks spectacular. It is colorful. Yes, so we give Nexxt a thumbs up. This is a wonderful package presentation. Yes. Now, the highlights of this switch. It is, as I have said, a single pole only, not compatible with three-way, right? So it is one switch to one light and not two switch to one light. So it is one switch to one light. It is voice control, requires Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant enabled devices. You need no hub to hook this up to your network, and it is easily shared. You can download the Nexxt application app from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. There's also a QR code here that you can scan, which will link you to their website that you can get more information on this product. As you can see on the product box, they have a variety of smart devices. Now, let me get my cutting tool to unbox this colorful package and reveal the contents that are inside. Yes, here I am with my cutting tool. Yes. On the box we have 3 seals. Yes. We have one here and 2. Yes. And 3. Okay. Let them see what is inside this package from Nexxt. Yes. As we see here, we have, what do we have here? We have a quick setup guide. Yes. There's also a QR code which will link you and you can get further information and a quick setup. Also in the box we have, oh yes, a manual. Yes, we have English and Spanish. Yes. What else do we have in this package? Oh, we have some wire connectors. Yes. Wire nuts to be direct. And what else do we have? Oh yes, we have some screws to hold in the switch. And here we have the faceplate. Wow, this is looking great, nice and shine. As you can see, the finish, there's no screw hole, so this is a perfect finish, so to speak. Yes, very clean finish, no screw holes, so that means it will clip in on the switch. Yes, and let us see, this is the big reveal. Oh wow, this is gorgeous, just beautiful. Yes, okay, let's pull off this sticker here. Wow, what do we have here? Yes, we have the load wire, and we have the live wire. We have a neutral, and then the grounds wire. Wow, this is really spectacular, looking wonderful. Yes, cannot wait to see this on my wall. Wow, this is looking beautiful, very elegant. Now this, as I said, will certainly give my home office a contemporary look and feel. Just beautiful. With that said, let's look at some of the tools I will be using to remove and replace the conventional light switch in my home office. Yeah, so here we have the drill, yes, battery drill. We also have Phillips screwdriver, and we have here a flathead screwdriver, and we have wire stripper if needed. We also have cutting pliers. Yes, so this completes the tools that will be used if needed to replace my conventional light switch with this new smart Wi-Fi light switch that I will do in the follow-up video. That's the installation video of this switch, this smart Wi-Fi light switch in my home office. So if you want to see that video, please like and subscribe, that you will be notified when the installation video is released. Yes, this is just gorgeous. Cannot wait to see this on my wall. Look at it, beautiful. Wow, beautiful. So until then, I will see you guys in the next video.